Fuck. I just stalled the shit. I might honestly walk this. It. I stalled out, so it. I was gonna walk this because I might have got in that. I was straight up stick is just stuck to my frame or whatever the this is. Dude, I was just drifting, ripping in that mud.
Oh my god, dude. We are on the good trails.
Yeah, this is nice. Where are we riding from? From here?
Straight to the BP.
Yeah, but from there
Oh,
we
just come back up and then
try that
like
trail.
a power line, and then that's where I found the mountain bike jumps in one of those trails down there.
Oh,
It's pretty sick.
holy shit! It's my crap. I'm sideways on that. I'm coming. I just couldn't start her up. Sinking. I can't do that. This thing's stuck as shit. Oh, look at that crater, boys. SSR was not feeling it. Those shoes are soaked. Give me out of that swamp ass. SSR's not making that. I'm gonna board up right there. The back tire's not making it, bro. There's no traction. You're not making it. Good shit. Oh, fake shit, I was gonna be so mad. That looks so funny when you just did that.
Well, that was a workout. I swear we gotta road it back.
Dude, that was bad.
I swear we gotta take that and make a road.
Honestly. Woo! Dude, why is gas so expensive nowadays? I didn't even notice that actually.
Shit's like the most too.
Yo, can I get that wallet now? Can I drive the pit in? I need mask. Helmet. How's it going?
Hi.
Could I get 3 on 2? Oh fuck, I meant. I think $3 is enough.
Probably.
99 cents I used. Oh, it just wiped gas on my nose too. Nice empty gas whip for the whole ride.
Should we ride the roads back to this cut in the trail?
Dude, you gotta go back and then the other way. My engine is so hot. Keep going. Yeah! This could be the most fun spot.
Just a shred.
Oh, it's jail, isn't it? Oh my god.
We're breaking the prisoners out today?
I'm about to go scope it out.
Break some prisoners out.
Alright, we're probably getting hundreds of takes right now. Ready for this wheelie?
Yeah. Oh my.
Dude, that just got like stuck.
Nice.
Like a stick on my front spoke.
Nice fall.
Nice ball.
Yeah.
Was it nice? I did not like going down right here.
I'm gonna see it.
Put it under this car?
Yeah.